So I got a new pressure washer from Yeryork. This one's a lot smaller, a lot more compact. This one does come with 4 different tips that does connect to your gun, and this does come with a foam cannon. It has pretty good cleaning power, and that was with the 25-degree angle. A longer wand would be better for this, of course, but you can use it for cleaning around your home. And it's great if you live somewhere where you got a lot of moss and stuff that grows. This one distributes in a nice V pattern that will put it on pretty quickly. But if you're looking for something that's super light, really portable, has a decent amount of power, comes with 4 tips along with a foam cannon, it works pretty well.